So first we start with the entry of opening stock. Here opening stock is 10,000 and 16,000. So opening stock 10,000 and 16,000, total will become 26,000. After that they have given purchase. Purchase we have 40,000, 32,000. Total will become 72. 40,000 and 32,000, total will become 72. After that they have given wages. So enter wages. Wages 6,000 and 4,000, total will become 10,000. 6,000 and 4,000, total will become 10,000. Next adjustment, that is sales. By sales, that is 90,000, that one of 60,000, total 1,50,000. Total 1,50,000. Next, office salaries, office rent, discount allowed, discount earned. These adjustments are profit and loss account here. So first we have to make entry of the closing stock by closing. Okay, before that there is one adjustment, that is D. Look at D adjustment. Inter-departmental transaction X to Y 16,000 he is not recorded in the above transaction. X to Y, it means X has sold some goods to Y rupees 16,000. It means we have to record by inter-departmental transfer. Interdepartmental transfer. Here we have to credit for X 16,000. So for total column also we have to make entry of 16,000 and 2 interdepartmental transfer. Interdepartmental transfer, here we have to debit for Y. We have to debit for Y 16,000. After that we have to entry closing stock. So the closing stock is 34,000 and 28,000. 34,000 and 28,000, total is 62,000. Total is 62,000. So total both sides. You may total credit side first. You may total credit side first. It is 1,40,000. It is 88,000. 78. 2 lakh.
2,28,000.
2 lakh. Okay. 1,40,000. 88,000 and 2,28,000. calculate the gross profit. How much of gross profit that we are going to get? I think 84,000 for X. I think 20,000 for Y and total 1,04,000. Check whether it is right or not.
Correct, sir.
84,000, 20,000 and 1,04,000. So after that we have to carry forward of gross profit. So 84,000, 20,000, total will become 1,04,000. So come to this next part, that is we have recorded opening stock, purchase, wages, sales, and we start with the office salaries. Office salaries. Yesterday we have allocated how much it is? Total office salary 48,000. It means 32 and 16. 32,000 and 16,000. Total will become 48,000. So after that, office rent.
20,000, 12,000. 20,000, 12,000.
20,000, 12,000. Total will become 32,000. Next, we have discount allowed. Discount allowed presently that is 8,800.
5,280.
5,280.
3,520.
3,520.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that we have discount earned. Discount earned. So I think 1,600
600.
and
1,280.
80. Okay. Total will become 2,880. 2,880. So here we have completed the particular information. Next, adjustment 1A is over, B is over, and come for C, that is depreciation. To depreciation. To depreciation. There are two types of depreciation. There are two assets to be depreciated. First one, furniture. First one, furniture. So the furniture we have already allocated, that is 600 each. 600 and 600. 1,200. And that one of machinery. That one of machinery. Machinery I think 2,000. How much? I think it is 85,600. 85,600. Debit total of Y, because here debit balance is more. but here only 21,280 is at the credit side. Debit the total of department Y. Total of the debit Y.
34,120.
34,120. Okay, 34,120 by net loss. To net profit. So how much is the net profit for department X? Calculate first.
25,720.
25,720. Okay. Next. Here you have loss. How much is the loss for department Y?
12,840.
12,000. How much?
12,840.
12,840. Okay, total the outer column 1,06,880. 1,06,880. Here we have to mention 12,840 as a minus. You have to mention in the bracket that is loss. Sorry, therefore there is a total should be changed. $12,840.
94,040.
94,040.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 94,040. Just for 3. How much it is?
$3,040, sir. 3,040 words.
Only 3,040 only?
Sir.
Okay.
3,440, sir.